Everybody, it's Tanya with Scrappychics.com and your proud creative partner with Kiwi Lane. Today I am bringing you the February 2021 Club Kit unboxing, and let's get to it. So it comes with 6 templates. 2 of them are borders and they're called garden frills. And then it has 2 flowers, the leaves, and a butterfly. So this club kit has a spring vibe to it. So those are the templates that it comes with. And then I'm going to go through the paper with you. And I guess it might help if I tell you the name of the club kit. I'm sorry about that. So the name is Beauty in Bloom. That's the name. And this is a snapshot of the paper. And then these are the the templates here. So you have 2 borders, 2 flowers, a leaf set, and a butterfly. Okay, so we're going to start off with, all of these are double-sided 12 by 12 cardstock thickness of paper. This is very good quality paper. So this is like a coral color, and it has triangles with the pretty rose, not rose, but the flower bud trees. Blooms, actually. This is a little check with teal and then stripes. These have, I don't know that you can tell. This is a light peach color, and it has white, like flowers in the background. And then here's another one that has that coral in the background with the leaves and the flowers. Diamonds. This is a real pretty deep coral color. Green. These are beautiful butterflies with the teal and the pinks. Here's another teal, and there's 2 of those, so you can make a double-sided layout with those. And they flip over with the this is like an off-white color. And then there's 2 of this color. This is a light peach. And then it flips over, and it has this golden yellow tone. There's 2 of those. And then this is that deep coral color again. And then another neutral. So this has a great combinations of patterns and neutrals in this set. Then it also comes with sentiment cards. So it has 3 by 4, 4 by 4s, and 4 by 6s. And I'm going to flip through these. This is a journal card. It says write it on your heart with the solid on the back. Sending springtime smiles. Life is a beautiful thing. Treasure it. Friends like you mean more every year. That's sweet. Spring has sprung. Cherished memories of family are held in the heart forever. Butterfly kisses and flower petal wishes. I love you with all my heart. That's sweet. I love you, the date, and take note. So that's a journal card. And our wedding day, how sweet is that? And this is great for the springtime weddings. Then on the backs of these, it's just the pattern paper that coordinates throughout. Okay, so the 4 by 4 cards. This one says one fine day with the coordinating pattern paper on the back. This one says in the cherry blossoms shade, there is no such thing as a stranger. And that's what's on that paper, are the cherry blossoms. So that's what's on that teal paper as well. 5 things I love about you. So those have the coordinated solids on the back. And these are the 4 by 6s. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. The best love story is the one you write together. Love is like a butterfly. It goes where it pleases, and it pleases wherever it goes. That's sweet. So this has the coordinated pattern paper as well that coordinates with the kit. So this is just a really quick unboxing. This is beautiful for springtime. Valentine's, Mother's Day. So there are a lot of uses for this kit. It's very versatile. The templates are very versatile as well. So is the paper. So I think if you are a Kiwi Club member, you're really going to enjoy this kit. If you are not a Kiwi Club member, I would encourage you to sign up so you can take part in these exclusive kits. Only the Kiwi Lane Club members get access to these templates and papers. So if you're not a member, you can't get access. So it is a great value, and I would encourage you to look into it, and I'll have a link below on how you can become a member if you're interested. Thanks for watching my unboxing, and have a great day. Bye-bye.